Imagine cutting intricate shapes out of metal using nothing but sparks. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But this is the reality of electrical discharge machining, or EDM. This incredible technology allows us to precisely shape even the toughest metals with amazing accuracy. We're talking about creating complex geometries and delicate details that would be impossible with traditional machining methods. EDM is like magic, but instead of wands and spells, we use electricity and a special type of conductive fluid. This process is changing the way we manufacture everything from aerospace components to medical devices. Let's dive into the world of EDM and explore how it's revolutionizing modern manufacturing. Electrical discharge machining, or EDM, is a non-traditional machining process. It uses controlled electrical discharges to remove material from a workpiece. Unlike traditional machining, EDM doesn't rely on sharp cutting tools. Instead, it uses a carefully controlled spark to erode the metal. Think of it like lightning, but on a much smaller and controlled scale. The electrical discharge creates intense heat, vaporizing tiny bits of metal and creating the desired shape. This makes EDM perfect for working with hard metals and intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible to machine with traditional methods. Let's break down the EDM process step by step. First, the workpiece and the electrode, which is the tool that delivers the spark, are submerged in a dielectric fluid, usually deionized water or oil. This fluid acts as an insulator and a coolant. An electrical voltage is applied between the electrode and the workpiece. When the gap between them is small enough, an electrical discharge occurs. This spark generates intense heat, reaching temperatures of up to 8,000 to 12,000 degrees Celsius. The heat vaporizes tiny bits of the workpiece, effectively eroding it away. The dielectric fluid then carries away the eroded particles, keeping the process clean and precise. There are different types of EDM processes, each suited for specific applications. Wire EDM uses a thin, single-strand wire as the electrode. It's like a super precise jigsaw, cutting through metal with incredible accuracy. Wire EDM is perfect for creating intricate shapes and complex contours. Sinker EDM, also known as RAM EDM, utilizes a shaped electrode that matches the desired cavity in the workpiece. It's like using a cookie cutter to stamp out a specific shape. Sinker EDM is ideal for creating molds, dies, and other complex three-dimensional shapes. Fast hole EDM, as the name suggests, is all about speed. It uses a rotating tubular electrode to create deep, accurate holes quickly. Fast hole EDM is commonly used in aerospace and automotive industries for drilling cooling holes and other critical features. Each type of EDM offers unique advantages, giving manufacturers the flexibility to choose the best method for their specific needs. So why EDM? Well, let's dive into it. EDM outshines traditional machining in several ways, especially when you're dealing with hard materials and intricate designs. First off, EDM offers high precision and accuracy. It can achieve extremely tight tolerances, making it perfect for applications that require extreme precision. Then, there's the ability to machine complex geometries. EDM can create intricate shapes and features that would be simply impossible with traditional cutting tools. Another big plus is that there's no direct contact. Since the electrode doesn't physically touch the workpiece, there's no cutting force or mechanical stress on the material. This is particularly beneficial for delicate or brittle materials. And let's not forget about stress-free machining. The absence of cutting forces means that EDM doesn't introduce stress or burrs into the workpiece, resulting in a smoother and more precise finish. These advantages make EDM a real game changer in various industries, enabling the creation of parts that were previously unimaginable. EDM is a versatile technology used across a wide range of industries, including aerospace manufacturing turbine blades, fuel injectors, and other complex engine components. Automotive creating molds for plastic injection molding, machining engine blocks, and producing transmission parts. Medical producing surgical instruments, implants, and intricate medical devices. Tool and die building molds, dies, and tooling used in various manufacturing processes. Electronics, creating microconnectors, semiconductor components, and other miniature electronic parts. These are just a few examples of how EDM is shaping the world around us, making products safer, more efficient, and more accessible. When it comes to EDM solutions, Erodex is a name you can trust. With decades of experience and a commitment to innovation, Erodex has established itself as a leader in the industry. They offer a comprehensive range of EDM products and services, including high-performance EDM machines. Erodex provides a wide selection of state-of-the-art EDM machines, from Wire EDM to Sinker EDM and fast-hole drilling machines. Premium consumables. Erodex offers a complete range of EDM consumables including wires, electrodes, dielectric fluids, and filters, all designed to deliver optimal performance and extended tool life. Expert technical support. Erodex has a team of experienced engineers and technicians ready to provide comprehensive technical support, from application advice to troubleshooting and maintenance. Erodex is committed to helping customers achieve the highest levels of precision and productivity in their EDM operations. Ready to explore the possibilities of EDM for your manufacturing needs? Visit the Erodex website to learn more about their products, services, and the latest advancements in EDM technology. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's powered by Sparks. EDM Spark Erosion is a game-changing technology that is revolutionizing the way we manufacture complex and precise parts. Its ability to cut intricate shapes in the toughest materials with incredible accuracy makes it an indispensable tool across numerous industries. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications for EDM, further pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing.